Okay, in the last few tutorials we worked with strings. What I want to do now is introduce you to a different data type we can work with in JavaScript, and that is numbers. So working with numbers. So in JavaScript, you're able to do a number of things with numbers. You're able to perform math operations. So when I say math operations, I mean you can add numbers together, you can subtract a number from another number, you can do division, you can do multiplication. And how you do that is with the math operators. So there are quite a few to get through. In this tutorial, we're just going to do the basics. We'll just do maybe one example of addition, one example of subtraction, division, and multiplication, and then we'll continue on working with numbers in future tutorials. But how you perform math operators are with the math, how you perform math operations are with the math operators. So we have the plus sign here if you want to add numbers together, addition, we have the subtraction, we have division, so that's with the slash, and we have the little asterisks here. You press Control 8 on your keyboard and you can perform multiplication. Okay, awesome. So you can store numbers in variables, but what I want to do is just to show you the math operators in use for the first time. Let's just log some stuff out of the console. So what we can do is we can just perform some math operations here. So I might say, okay, let's say 5 plus 5, semicolon to end our statement. This line here is a statement, and let's see what we get. So 5 plus 5, as we know, is 10. I'm going to scroll down to my Google Chrome icon and refresh, and we get 10. Awesome, congratulations, you've just performed your first math operation with me in this tutorial series. Now let's do some subtraction. So let's say console.log. Maybe you have $100 and sadly you owe your friend $25 because they bought you a burger and a milkshake. Yes, $25, inflation is a real thing. So let's save and refresh, we should get 75. Okay, awesome. You can also perform division. So we could say console.log. Maybe you set up a business, cutting grass, mowing people's lawns. You raise $200, we have to split it between 5 people. What's that going to be? So let's just save and refresh, and you get 40 there. Okay, great. And you can also do multiplication. So console.log, maybe, I don't know, you're going to save $2 a day for 365 days in a year. And what will you have saved after a year? Let's find out. You have saved $730. Okay, awesome. So we'll end that tutorial there. We'll work more with maths in the next tutorial. But key point here is in JavaScript, you are able to work with numbers. You can perform math operations such as addition, subtraction, division, multiplication using the math operators. And in this tutorial, we actually used 4 of them for the first time. So I'll leave it there, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.